Hi, so I wanted to make a quick video showing this Bernzomatic hose torch, trigger torch in action. There's not too many videos on YouTube showing it. I wanted to see it before I picked one up. This seems to be quite a nice torch. One of the more expensive ones. That's probably why not many people buy them, but it's a really nice torch. It does come with a map cylinder and a holster. Depending on the model you buy, I think you can get just the torch handle. Yes, it will fit the Coleman stove type cans. I have a whole bunch of these because I refill them, and it does actually have a little holster thing on the side, so you can have somewhere to stick this to free up your hands. A very nice thing about this is you can get into all types of tight spaces without having to hold the entire bottle, and it's a trigger start on off. Actually, it would help if we turned on the cylinder first. You have the control knob up here, and this is also your flame regulator. So if you want a less power flame, you dial down the gas and you just press it and it fires up. You do have a lock, so you can lock it on. It will not lock out the trigger. And I'll try and get it in a darker spot here to show you the flame. It's really quite a nice flame that it puts out. A little bit darker here. And by dialing this down a bit, we can get a less intense flame. Now, a funny thing that I realized is that, okay, say we're done using this, we turn off the cylinder, that's off, and then we unscrew the cylinder. What we've effectively done here is trapped a lot of gas in this tube. So over a day later, I picked this thing up and instinctually, pressed the trigger, and sure enough, there's quite a bit of flame in there. So that's, one thing to be cautious about. Once you've disconnected this thing, there is actually still gas in the hose. So just something to take note about. So anyways, there it is, Bernzomatic hose torch, trigger torch.